All right, this morning for breakfast, we've had monstrous amount of rain. Everything's wet. So while I'm getting the fire ready, I'm gonna set this up. I've got some frozen mulberries that I've had, and it's time to use them. So I added a bit of water. We're gonna crush up some walnuts in there. There's a little bit of honey in it. Not that I need a whole lot. This will be, I'll probably work on this all day, maybe some tomorrow too. So there's gonna be a little bit of it made. That way I can do other things and not have to worry about food. You can add as little or as much as you want in this. And seeing that it's a dry cereal, I usually let it soak in an amount of water. Then I'll add more water as I get it heated up, because it'll take some to rehydrate some of this, and it cooks faster. And this is just a fruit mix, dried fruit mix that I've got. It's got, well, let's see what's in it. Pineapple, raisins, golden raisins, apricots, dates, cranberries, papaya, and apples, just things along that line. So I'll add some of that in there. Yeah, it'll last. The whole thing will go in. And I picked up some of this. I tend to like it. It's kind of a pain in the yak, so I don't usually fix it real often, unless you're going to eat it cold. But I tend not to measure things. It takes the fun out of it. Changes things up a little bit when you don't. Usually comes out pretty good though, after a little experience. Then I mix it in. The mulberries are starting to thaw out. I like mulberries, and it's getting time that they're getting ready to set on the tree again here in a month or so. So I found these in the freezer. I'd kind of forgot about them. They don't freeze real good. They turn into kind of a, they don't hold up well. But when you're using them like this, it don't matter, because they break down as you cook them anyway. This will be a really fruit dense mixture here. We'll add some more of this. This will last quite a while. I've got some, I'm meeting with family later, so I'll probably take some of this over too. We usually grill out, things along that line, so this will be something different to add in. Okay, then we let this sit. As we get the fire going and burn down, I'll leave this sit closer to the fire as I get that lit up, which will help heat it up and mix it in. And as the fire burns down to coals, I'll hang it over it and we'll cook it for a while. We'll come back when it's done. It's over the fire, it's cooking. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it at a low heat for a while. Let everything absorb up. I'll check it every now and again, probably add water as it needs it. This is better cooked slow. Everything kind of breaks down and melts together. Okay, breakfast is ready. I basically bowled some up. We're gonna give it a try. You can tell it's heavy in the mulberries. Good thing I like them. Oh damn, that's good. I think I'm gonna put some of this in the freezer for a later date. All I have to do is heat it up. The rest of the family's gonna love this.